Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Okay guys, I'm doing things a little bit backwards today. I'm going to sample my dish first. And what I made are these delicious Mexican taco stuffed shells. Oh my goodness, these are so good. Wow. I am always looking for new recipes, and my wonderful Aunt Vicky shared her delicious Mexican taco stuffed shells with me, and I'm telling you, this one is a keeper. It is so delicious. Thanks, Vicky, for sharing this with me and showing me how you make your delicious Mexican stuffed shells. You guys are going to want to give this one a try. And this is pretty much a no-brainer recipe. It is fabulous. Your whole family will love them. I can guarantee it. Okay, so before I devour my whole plate, let me go over all the ingredients that you will need to make your delicious Mexican taco stuffed shells. But a quick reminder to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as I upload new delicious recipes.
So I'm using 2 pounds of a ground beef and a Mexican blend of cheeses, some sour cream and picante sauce, and then you will need your taco seasoning. Now you can use a packet of taco seasoning, but I like to make my own, and I'm using 1 teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, and chili powder, and then some salt, and of course your jumbo shells. So after you have browned up your ground beef, then add your taco seasoning and your salt. Then add a 1/2 cup of the picante sauce and a 1/2 cup of the sour cream.
All right, everything is ready. I have a nice station set up, and now I'm just going to begin to stuff my shells with this delicious taco meat and place them in a baking dish. But the first thing that I want to do is I need to spread some of this picante sauce just on the bottom of this baking dish. All right, now I'm just going to stuff these shells with this taco meat and place them in my baking dish.
Okay, so I'm going to add just a dollop of sour cream to the top of each shell. And then I'm also going to add just a little bit more of that picante sauce to the top of each shell.
Okay, and next I'm just going to take some of this Mexican cheese and sprinkle all over top of these shells. Okay, and then I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven until they're nice and hot and bubbly and that cheese has melted all on top. I'm telling you, these are delicious. Okay, and I even had enough extra shells to place in a disposable pan, and I'm going to put that in my freezer. That's one thing that's really nice about these Mexican shells is they freeze really well, so you can make a double batch, pan up several pans, and keep one in your freezer for when you need one of those grab-and-go meals. Oh boy, look at these Mexican taco stuffed shells. They look delicious. Oh my goodness, these shells are so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. I hope that you guys enjoyed for whenever you need one of those grab and go meals. Okay, and then I'm just going, really nice about these magic shells. Mexican shells. These delicious Mexican stuffed shells.